Hello everybody, welcome to Mint. And in here I'll be showing you how to bypass the activation, the activation center, in Windows XP. I was able to do this on XP, no, not Starter Edition, yeah, XP Starter Edition. So we will be trying to do this in server 2003, as this is also pretty much the same like XP. So let's find out. So yeah, here it shows that I have to log in. I have to activate if I want to log into the PC, or else I'll have to shut down. Let's just click on yes. Alright, so here we are in the activation center. So the first thing to do is let's just activate over the internet. And no. And here we are trying to find a way to open Internet Explorer. So let's just click on Telegram. And then once you come over here, we'll change the product key. And now here in the product key, you won't actually write the product key, you write a random number, okay? This is gonna be random. Then let's just click update. And now once you get the Anchor product key, you will see this Microsoft Activation Assistant website. So you click here because we are about to be opening Internet Explorer. And then let's just click OK. Now we've got the Internet Explorer. Let's just try to C drive. Let's click yes. Then go to Windows. And then click on System 32 if you're running command prompt. Now that you ran command prompt, you'll be typing in run DLL 32 space sys setup comma setup food. What this thing basically does is that it just resets everything, and then let's just click on this. Then let's run Explorer now. Explorer. Yeah, Explorer's over here. And now it'll automatically log you off because you are not completely supposed to be running without activating. So now that you're over here, you're supposed to be resetting. First, let's just click reset. And now there we go. So basically what happened was that just reset everything, and now it'll tell you to activate another 30 days later, and you just have to do this same trick, bypassing trick. So this is how you bypass the activation in these kind of old operating systems like 7.3, XP. Yeah. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for the next video, and I'll see you.